we're welding together right now the ribs for the 2-row units. We had to do 120 welds like this. As you can see, we're making it 12 foot long. Well, they only come in 10s. So we had to cut this and what we're in right now is the finished product. We were able to cover up about 7,000 square feet with the work that we did. It took us a long time, about 2 weeks, to weld all that, bend it, and assemble it. And we were able to cover up. We've got multiple crops that are now covered. We just had a snowstorm, and so there's snow above us. All of our crops that we have for you guys in the winter and in the CSA in the spring are covered. So we're kind of excited about that, and we're wanting to kind of show you. This is only one row. This row is 170 feet long, roughly. We have 2 of these like this covered with spinach and arugula, and then we have
more yet to go in. But
yeah.
But that's what's under there now.
That's what's under there now. So we just wanted to share this with you and inspire you and let you know what we're up to. Thank you.